talk about how can you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you so it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Toloka app, or just click here on search. So then here at Toloka app here, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then you search for Tolka app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.